Ms. Ibtisam, NIP and DP World support and connect businesses to the markets around the world. How do investments such as Hira Walraven's factory expansion contribute to that broader vision?
Hira Walraven's expansion at National Industries Park show how global expertise and local manufacturing can come together to serve the region's construction sector. By deepening its footprint in Dubai, Hira Walraven is helping build more resilient and more sustainable supply chains for the region. At the same time, it is also a strong vote of confidence in Dubai and the world-class platforms we have created to manufacture, store, distribute goods to markets around the world. We're very happy to see that this development and look forward to many more years of success with Hira Walraven.
Mr. Khalid, expansion is ultimately a statement of confidence. In your opinion, what does investment into a project like this say about the belief that Hira Walraven has in the opportunities that lie ahead in the UAE market and the wider region?
Thank you so much for this question. Actually, this expansion is a strong vote of the confidence that we have in the UAE and in what we call the Dubaiite, which is the ambitions of innovation and the determination to achieve continuous success. So this expansion gives us the opportunity in this region, not only to serve our customers better, but also it will position us ahead of our companies, ahead of our competitors, and will be able to serve our customer better, faster, and in a more innovative way.
Ms. Ramesh, projects of such scale require significant planning and commitment. What does it mean for model engineering to be a part of a milestone like this?
Well, for model engineering, it's a sense of pride and a sense of honor. We were involved in the project in the 2016-2018 when we delivered this wonderful facility, and I'm seeing it flourishing, great success for the client. And for us, we hope to do the same thing and better with the next facility. So yeah, looking forward.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And you did such a wonderful and outstanding job. We really look forward to the expansion with you and more business and more growth.
It's teamwork.